Hi guys, how to recover deleted videos on iPhone. So if you deleted a video or photo on iPhone, they have a feature that will keep the deleted video or photo in a trash bin for at least 30 days, and afterwards the photos and videos will be deleted immediately or deleted permanently. So go ahead and check your photos right here. Scroll a bit down, you're gonna find under the utilities, you can see favorites, hidden, recently deleted. Just move to the recently deleted, and then press view album, insert your own passcode. You're gonna see that deleted video or photo from here. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to recover the deleted video, just go ahead and hit the select at the top right. Select the video, for example, right here, and then click the three dots with the circle at the bottom right, and then hit recover. So see you in the next one.